Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make mushroom soup from a can. First, grab a standard 10 3/4 ounce can of condensed mushroom soup. Carefully open it and pour the thick, creamy contents into a medium-sized saucepan. Next, measure out 1 full can of milk or water using the empty soup can. This ensures the perfect consistency for your delicious soup. Stir these two ingredients together until they are well combined and smooth. Now, place your saucepan on the stove top over medium heat. It's important to stir the soup frequently during this stage to prevent it from sticking to the bottom and burning. Keep stirring until the soup begins to gently simmer, which usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. You'll see small bubbles forming around the edges, indicating it's perfectly heated and ready for the next step. To elevate your canned mushroom soup, consider adding a few simple enhancements. A 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper can add a lovely subtle kick. For a touch of freshness, stir in 1 tablespoon of finely chopped fresh parsley. If you enjoy a richer flavor, a small dash of garlic powder works wonders. These additions transform a simple can of soup into something truly special. Once your soup is perfectly heated and seasoned, it's time to serve. Carefully ladle the warm, comforting mushroom soup into your favorite bowls. For an extra touch, you can garnish it with a few more fresh herbs or a swirl of cream. This delicious soup pairs wonderfully with a slice of crusty bread for dipping or alongside a simple sandwich. Enjoy your homemade tasting meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.